precision, performance. This is the world of Nitrous outlet, flow supply, 860 performance, and Methheadz.
Baddest company in the world.
Right here in Waco, Texas, 90% of our CNC work is done locally. Every hose, every bracket, every plate, crafted by racers, for racers.
It's the only way I know how to go. You know, I've been dealing with you for the past 10 years, and I just love you and your company.
With over 25 years of expertise and a crew that's been here for decades, we don't outsource performance. We build it. That's what sets us apart.